Ever found yourself at the counter, wallet tucked away, phone in hand, and then a moment of panic? You want to pay with GrabPay, but the cashier is waiting, people are behind you, and suddenly, those few seconds feel like an eternity. We've all been there, right? That little jolt of how exactly does this work again when you're trying to navigate a new payment method. Well, imagine a world where those moments of hesitation simply vanish. A world where paying with GrabPay is as smooth and effortless as blinking. That's not some futuristic fantasy, it's what we're going to unlock for you today. Because while GrabPay is incredibly convenient, getting started or remembering the exact steps when you're under pressure can be a bit tricky. We're going to demystify the entire process, from topping up your balance to making that final, satisfying payment, whether you're online or in person. GrabPay isn't just a payment method, it's a gateway to seamless transactions within the Grab ecosystem and beyond. Think about it, ride-hailing, food delivery, package delivery, and now, even paying at your favorite physical stores and online shops. It consolidates so much of your daily spending into one secure, easy-to-manage platform. And once you master the art of paying with it, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. So, let's dive in. The core of using GrabPay effectively really boils down to two main scenarios: paying at a physical store using a QR code and paying online. We'll also briefly touch on topping up your wallet, because obviously, you need funds in there to begin with. First things first, topping up your GrabPay wallet. This is like fueling up your car before a long journey. You have several options, making it super flexible. You can link your credit or debit card for instant top-ups, which is incredibly convenient for those on-the-go moments. Alternatively, you can top up via online banking, which might take a few minutes but offers a direct transfer from your bank account. And for those who prefer cash, some convenience stores and Grab drivers even offer cash top-up services. Just choose the method that works best for you, enter the amount, and confirm. Your GrabPay balance will update almost instantly. Now, let's talk about paying at a physical store. This is where the QR code comes into play. When you're ready to pay, simply open your Grab app. Look for the scan icon, usually prominently displayed on the homepage. Tap it, and your camera will activate. The cashier will present a GrabPay QR code. Position your phone so the QR code is within the frame, and the app will automatically scan it. Once scanned, the merchant's name and the amount due will appear. Double-check everything, then hit confirm. If you have multiple payment methods linked to GrabPay, make sure GrabPay is selected. Sometimes, you might need to enter your PIN or use fingerprint/Face ID for added security. And just like that, payment complete. It's quick, it's contactless, and it avoids fumbling with cash or cards. Next up, paying online. This is equally straightforward, though the steps might vary slightly depending on the website or app you're using. Generally, when you reach the checkout page, you'll see a list of payment options. Look for the GrabPay logo. Select it, and you will usually be redirected to the Grab app or secure GrabPay portal within your browser. If it's the latter, you'll be prompted to log into your Grab account. Once logged in, the transaction details will be displayed. Verify the amount and merchant, then confirm the payment. Again, you might need to enter your PIN or use biometric authentication. You'll receive an instant confirmation, and you're all set. It really is that simple. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes second nature. GrabPay is designed to streamline your transactions, giving you more time to focus on what truly matters, whether that's enjoying your meal, getting to your destination, or simply moving through your day with ease. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.